Alright guys, I'm going to do a class on going through Mantle, and first I want to show you how to get Mantle if you need to do so. So in my situation I have a bunch of Polygon in a couple wallets for some reason, but I can't turn Polygon into Mantle because it's on ETH. But if I turn my Polygon Matic into ETH on Arbitrum, that'll work just fine, and then I'll take my Arbitrum and swap that for Matic on ETH. So that's what I need, and so using this bridge is going to help me. Now, you could do anything if you had like, I'm having two steps, but if you already have Arbitrum, or if you already have ETH, you could just swap it out on something like Orbiter. That's a pretty easy move, but if you don't, if you only have like, let's say you got only BNB, you have cake on BNB or something like that, you're going to want to use something like this Interport, which I really like. This Interport interface is really nice. And so, yeah, so I will go ahead and make sure I'm on the right wallet. Yep. And I'm going to go and take my Polygon Matic, and I'm going to swap that over for $65 on Arbitrum. So swap that. This is $1.65, it said. It's probably gonna change because I let that sit there for a minute while I was talking. Yeah, I want $1.89. I'll go and accept that. Confirm. If this was on ETH, that would be easily a $15, $20 transaction. So moving it onto Arbitrum is definitely the better move. Any of these nice layer 2s that you can get to where you need to get to. That's the hardest thing about when you first start all this stuff is figuring out how to turn the tokens you have into other tokens. If you got tons of money, it doesn't matter. You just go to Coinbase or Binance and buy the stuff you want. But I think for the most part, people that are just trying to do airdrops with 10, 20, 40 bucks in their wallet, it could get killed so quickly in gas fees. So it's crucial to get good at going through these layer 2s and utilizing them. So there we go. The thing is, with these really cheap gas prices, it takes a while. So if you see, I got this one down here. It says 15 minutes ago. So I already put through some just a minute ago just to show it, and I decided to make a video on it. So this is going to be a minute. Let's see here. This one right here shows, and this is the same thing. I was moving Polygon onto Arbitrum on ETH. There we go. So 15 minutes or so, and I'll get back on here, I guess. And then again, the next step for me is going to be coming over here, going to Arbitrum, and moving that into Mantle. Now, Mantle's a new one. I wish I could do this over here, but Interport does not have Mantle on it. So since Mantle's a new one, I'm going to have to find something. I think Stargate might also have it if you wanted to get some extra points on Stargate. Finance. Let's go and check that out. Connect wallet. Now if we want to do Arbitrum, ETH, which I don't even really have any at the moment, and then move that into, does it have it on here? No, it doesn't have Mantle. It has Linea and Base, but no. Okay, cool. So I guess it seems like this might be the only way to do this. There's not too many places that have Mantle at the moment. If you go to the Mantle Discord, they do have a bridge, but the only thing they'll take is ETH, and ETH prices are just insane. If I wanted to use their bridge, it's going to cost me 15 to 20 bucks, and for an airdrop that might or might not ever happen, it's just not worth it to me to spend 20 bucks on it. So, but if you have unlimited money, good for you. Happy for you. You can just burn money like that. But I'm going to choose not to, especially because I do these classes so often. It's just a big waste to me. So that was it. I just wanted to kind of show you guys that. So easiest way to do it. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope that made sense. I'll talk to you soon.